Aren't we waiting for the rain to ease? They say, girl, we're going into the water. You're going to get wet anyways. Is it? Is it? Is it rain or shine? And it was so beautiful this morning.
Here we go. Right now, yeah, we gonna try to do it in the rain, alright? This is what we do. Mermaid, dig up yourself. Straight up.
Up, up.
Up, up.
Outside. Hi. Yeah. This is too funny. Wish me luck, guys. I hope it will be all worth it. Walking in this rain, which is actually nice. Rain or shine, yes, we're going out there and hunt for our lunch. Of weather. Well. Change of weather. That ain't stopping us. It is water, right? Water break. Yeah. Gotta eat something. I left so early this morning. I couldn't make no breakfast. But diving on an empty stomach is not good. Diving on a full stomach is not good. But a little bit. Oh man. Yeah. That is it. That is it. Ready.
Jessica, top shot. Big buck. What was it? Outside. Yeah. Oh, your man.
Yeah, man. Don't say we are just, you never see me. You never see me. No, outside on the open. But I was coming out of find the rock. I see if I've seen anything, me shoot.
Yeah.
So me prepare for shoot and him just there. That one group.
Jessica,
Get
do
you
that.
ready. Yeah.
Yeah.
You see? Sometimes tea, sometimes coffee. Today. Where am I? Oh my! this is so cool. I love coming out with some fish. Yo, I know from last time I know it's a game tastes nice. Yeah. Gracie, pick up yourself. Yeah. That is it. Big cobbler. Guys, from I catch the cobbler last time. From I catch the cobbler last time, I want to catch one, and see Gracie say, okay. I'm gonna catch some sprat. So I'm back here. But they went down already. So hopefully I'm not too late to catch the action. Because I want to show you guys that part of catching sprat. Yeah. So I'm back in the jungle for the vlog. Man, I hope I haven't caught them yet. Because I want to show you guys catching sprat. Because when we came out earlier, they saw a better sprat. Alright, let's see if we're lucky this time. Because last time, man, make me walk out the entire bush. And then no sprat was never there. Ah, man. Well, sometimes tea, sometimes coffee. Ay! Ah! Maca. Watch out, girl. Maca bush. Ah! See the guys out there? Yeah, so they're trying to get the maca. Not the maca, the sprat. No, maca bush joke me. Why? Watch his scale. Oh my god, scale on me. Let's see if we get some sprat in another day, yeah? Alright then. See them laid in it already. I guess a good sign. Oi! See over there? Alright, let me get there. Just me now to get there. Woo. See how I can walk better now with shoes on? Oh. Get them, Reggie! Get them! Let's see if they catch anything. High five. I'm gonna come down this walk here for nothing. Catch them! Glass?
Net full.
Full? See guys? We get two! More in there, more in there. Get them, Reggie! You holding it? Oh yeah.
Sun green.
Oh nice. Oh yeah. Them here. I see them. I see them right there, sir. I see them. I see them. Yo, at least this time I walk down here not for nothing.
Yeah, put the pan down. Press it. Yeah. I will just take and ease your play.
Woo! Yeah!
That's them a flick off.
Wally fine.
Watch it.
For catching sprat. So these little live fine fish. And you just fry them, yeah? And you can basically eat everything. Well, almost everything. Yeah! We get sprat, people. Yeah man. A pot of sprat. That nice. Yeah, fry them. And catch. And crunchy. It's a good one. Huh? Them jump over. Them jump over. Yeah, that's how you catch sprat. If you see the bed, you can see them actually from shore. Sometimes you can see because them jumping up. And you can see the bed of sprat. And then you come back with a net and get them. Gotcha.
What was the logic?
Huh? What?
You know our rope.
Nice.
You know our rope.
And some jackal.
Gracie, what else? What else? What do you have here?
Yeah.
Well, this one you don't want to read over. That's what you say here.
Willy. Watcha. And something else in there too. Some other shining something. Sprat for this. Alright, you can nitpick now. Sprat. Yes. So, actually, all of that get fried and you can get it. Huh? Sprat. Work time now. One big bag of sprat. I cannot even lift this up. It's so heavy. What a catch. Look at this. All of this. Need a wheelbarrow now down here. Oh man, yes. That was a good day. About 10-pound cobbler and a big crocus bag of sprat. Yeah, that is it. I'm so hungry, the belly is hurting me. I even feel bad. Head, eh? I feel weak. I'll take my time. Just something, probably when I eat something or some, I don't know. I have to drive to Kingston today. So. Yeah, beautiful day. Got a good catch. That's a wrap. 3 days of yangy. First. Let's see more sprat. We're done with sprat now. I don't want no more sprat. I'm done with sprat now. I'm done with sprat. Belly kill me.
Which one is my bucket?
Good morning, gentle people. Yes. We're back at it. Don't watch my hair. I'm still gonna fix that. But aye. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Wish me luck. I wanna catch a big 7-pound snapper. And if I can get another cobbler, even better. All right. Speed up. Before then, guys, leave me.
Hey, no, so that one is it. I will let the one catch. Yes. You know? You say like it's your turn.
You see that will look nice in the video. I catch one.
Yes, you walk. I'm walking. Yeah, walking.
What yours? Huh?
Reggie?
Reggie? Catch you, Reggie.
I like what you're talking, eh?
Catch you, Reggie.
Catch you walking.
Yeah.
That's a good sign.
No, it's a good sign because sometimes them feel say we just have boat every day. But sometimes we walk and swim out. Yeah. Exercise, right?
You don't mind this fine for you?
Yeah, a lot of walking. My peeps. Yeah, but I'm so ready. Yes, yes. Huh? Get you walking. Get you walking. New dance. New dance. We better keep up with them. Lovely, lovely. All right, guys. I'll catch you inside there. Even though I wanted to show you that I almost like drowned the other day with this snorkel. Yeah, I'm gonna change that snorkel because I was there fighting with these waves, and when I come up I want to inhale and then the snorkel just block on me. And if you notice, these guys, none of them have a snorkel like I have. You know, the original snorkeling snorkel, this. Yeah, the ocean, this is nobody's coming down here. The ocean brought all of this in. So yeah, it's coming from the rivers, it's coming from the boats, it's coming from all over the place, and it gets spit out by the ocean, which is right. So that. Anyway, this looks nice. This looks exciting. Oh my god, happy. All right, let's get ready and see what we can do. But I'm just always happy if I can be in there and just practice and get better at holding my breath, getting into depths. Let's say ready.
Always ready.
Always ready. Say born ready.
Born ready, always.
Always. That is good. All right. Right, guys. 2 days I've been out there fighting current, so at least I can get 1 day of niceness. Oh man! And that the current beat me yesterday. All right, wash the glass. Pretty. Yeah, man. How we that? Crazy over there. Yeah. Superman. Just truly mermaid. Yeah. Alright, let me get ready now. Fix my hair, fix my mask, and we're good to go. It is so pretty, huh? Yeah. Yes. You see, guys, that is how the pipe should be, not like this. This did block me. And then I was there in the big wave, and then this block it. Huh? Yeah, no, but not only the sharpness, only the little thing in there. This thing block. Yeah, I will take it out. I actually will beat it and destroy it. I'm gonna destroy it. No, maybe. You will have to look at it. I don't know. It look like it can. I don't know. Anyways, guys, catch you in the water. Whew. Now that the season is closed. Now we say, now that the season is closed, we see all of them lobster. Yeah man, make them breed up. Guys. Gracie said he might catch. I want this 10 pound. 8. My God. What? Never tell you. Woo! This is it. Yeah! Yeah! And this is what I got today.
Nice snapper.
Yeah, not as big, but you know.
Yeah, man, a nice
If shark never come and give me some more time, I could have maybe get one other couple more, but yeah, sharks. Want to catch one and see Gracie say, okay, yeah, out and bad. You see, guys, with this now start the blood, and this area shark. Man, I wish I had more time, because the sea out here was very nice. Yeah, but we're not gonna have shark take this away from us. No, not today. Yeah. Well, we got a little everything. It was a certain part was so murky, and then you had some clean parts. And it's been a while I didn't get a clean dive out of this place here. Place nice, but that's where I got the that's where I caught the grouper the other day. I was out here. So now I was like, one more please. Hate to cut the dive short, but I'm not gonna play with those sharks, man. And they're not here to play either. So we say bye. Yes, people, this is it. Now walking back on these rocks, which I find never easy. Yeah. Oh, here it is. This is our trail. Ow, shit. See, my baby feet will never get used to this. I should walk more barefoot like Muta Baruka. So I could manage the stone better. And it's not me have to carry one 10-pound fish. Yeah. Alright, through the bush. Yes, peeps. Another beautiful day out in the sea. Didn't got what I wanted, but yeah. Me too, I wanted to catch one of the nice cobbler. Anyway, next time, more snapper. Well, I got the little one. I just saw them pass through. Where them gone now? Yeah, bush. People in the bush. Bush, bush, bush. Ah, yeah. Man, and I was so excited when I saw that that area was clean actually and not dirty like up there. But then no. Ah, shark. Shark. Mash up my thing now. Yeah, what got a dinner? That's the main part. That's the most important. Got a nice dinner. Yeah, gonna steam the little snapper with some okra. Yeah, and some Irish. Yeah.
Oh, best man, this. Oh.
Today I'm just gonna fry this, but I do want it. I don't have enough, but I heard about this ink, like the ink, making pasta with the ink. So I don't have enough, so I will just make calamari rings. Yeah, all right, let's see how we deal with this. What is funny is that there's a plastic somewhere in there. Anyway, let's find out. This to come out. All right. Oh no, are these eggs? Oh shit. All right. So then we have some plastic somewhere. Where is the plastic? Just trust me, there's a plastic somewhere in there. And I find this so funny. See? Plastic. Alright, that is it. So apparently somewhere here there must be the ink located. But where? Anyway, I'm not gonna use it, so no. Oh, there's a beak. Here. Oh. But again, I don't use it, so I'm just gonna cut off these ones. I think they can eat too. Alright, let's go into the kitchen. Look at my calamaris. That's not bad at all. Look at my calamaris. It is so good. Don't watch my head. It did. Tastes so good. Yeah, man. Fried calamari. Yep. I should have some lime, but unfortunately I don't have, because if I would have some lime, I would have. Really good. Really good. So good. Yum, 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 yum. So glad. Oh my God. Then. So good. So I have soaked them in milk, because apparently that's how the Italians do it. So follow the Italians when it comes to seafood. and then use some flour, some salt. Technically I should use some baking powder, but I don't have any, so it works same way. It would have probably be a little more like puffier. Anyway, that is it.